Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll show you how to make 3 easy DIY jewelries with epoxy resin. These beautiful earrings, and amazing necklace. I hope you will like my ideas. Please write your opinion in comments and also give me big thumbs up and subscribe on my channel. And big thanks for watching my video. I tried to make it. So let's start. Roll out white polymer clay and cut out miniature form of strawberry. Make a texture on the surface. Then take acrylic paint and I will draw strawberry pattern. Need to bake it in oven about 5–10 minutes. Or you can submerge it in boiling water for 3–5 minutes. This is little balls for nail design. I put it on the surface. And cover with epoxy resin. Need to wait until the resin will be dry. So beautiful and cute earrings. I like these earrings. For next earrings, I need these plastic rings from under bottle. I color them with gold acrylic paint. Glue it to the piece of sticky tape. And fill the space with epoxy resin. And put pearly beads inside. Need to wait until the resin will be dry. If the resin leaked out, just neatly remove it. And finally cover with finish varnish. And make necklace. I have such miniature dried roses and such metal base. Fill the space with epoxy resin. And put these roses inside of resin. Need to wait until the resin will be dry. Looks so beautiful. Friends, big thanks for watching my video. I'm pleased to read all your comments and your opinion very important for me. Don't forget to support me and see you soon. Bye!